तो अभी हमारी उबर ऑटो आ गई है, हमें थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया है मगर गलती हमारी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। ओके ठीक है ना? हाँ।
Seven hours since the last text. It don't matter, I don't miss you yet. Grab my phone, but it's a reflex. I don't get it, you're not in my head. How'd we get in this space? It's so tense. And if I'm being honest, didn't even want it. Oh, what did I see between you and me? You made me a promise, and I don't even want it.
Other bitches, yeah, she never getting high. She always gonna slide when a nigga say it's time. You know that is my baby, yeah, I know she down to ride. Even when I'm not around, she gon' save me a slice. Ayy, yeah. She really fuck with me, believe in the vision like ayy, yeah. She really stuck with me before I got money like ayy, yeah. I'm all in the basement with Adam, we cooking like ayy, yeah. Like ayy, yeah. I took a little trip, now I'm out of my element, that is alright.
उल्टा कर, उल्टा कर, उल्टा कर। Hey guys, welcome to my room. This is my wardrobe, this is my bed, these are the drawers and mirror, and this is where I keep my baby. टॉयलेट है मगर यूज़ नहीं कर सकते। क्या दिन आ गया यार। अच्छा लग रहा है ना? 14,000 मैं बंद कर देती हूँ भाई, इतना उजाला हजम नहीं हो रहा है भाई। लास्ट टाइम पूछ रही हूँ किसका आईफोन है ये। गाइज आज मेरा बचपन का सपना पूरा होने वाला है। आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू डू दिस, सो डोंट जज मी। चिकी 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 चिकी। इस ड्रॉर में भी नहीं है यार, इसमें भी नहीं है, यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे भी नहीं है यार, इसमें भी नहीं है, यहाँ पे देखती हूँ, यहाँ पे भी नहीं है। वेयर इज माई विल टू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग?
Not like other bitches, yeah, she never getting high. She always gonna slide when a nigga say it's time. You know that is my baby, yeah, I know she down to ride. Even when I'm not around, she gon' save me a slice. Ayy, yeah. She really fuck with me, believe in the vision like ayy, yeah. She really stuck with me before I got.
ये लैम्प शेप निकालने के बाद टिश्यू पेपर कैसे लगते हैं? सेम सेम टू सेम।
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on a wave. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad.
Yup, and I totally forgot to show you these like cookies that I got in Ikea cafe. So this one is chocolate chip cookie and this one is dark chocolate cookie and they're like really big. Look at the size of it. तो अभी बारी है सबसे important टास्क की, वो है टेस्ट टेस्ट। सब पहले हम ट्राई करेंगे चॉकलेट चिप कुकी।
It's like really crunchy on the outside and very soft in the middle. I like it. Now let's go for the dark chocolate. I mean, it's not that crunchy, but I like dark chocolate रे मेरे को dark chocolate बहुत अच्छा लगता है तो I'll be little biased. मेरे को यही अच्छा लग रहा है. It's our day 2 in Ikea. So we are going again today because we could not explore everything yesterday.
Baby shampoo and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly. It's
आई सगळ्या गोष्टी मध्ये नुसती ढापत असते याला लॉक लावायचा आणि ठेवून द्यायचं.
मैडम वो कॉर्नर भी साफ करो.
I've always given you my best behavior. You gave me everything I asked. But I've grown up and this whole thing got stranger. I'm sick of sitting on your lap.